it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with you guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to talk to you about, or the question is, are leave-in conditioners necessary? If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. There are many questions about leave-in conditioners and do we really need to use them? I found a lot of information out from my mom. Like I said, my mom is a retired cosmetologist. She's been doing hair for over 20-30 years, and she stopped doing that, and now she's retired, enjoying her life. One day I'm gonna get to that point. But yeah, I asked her several questions because I see a lot of people really question leave-in conditioners. So I have jotted down some notes. I've also did some research of my own, and just from experience and just using leave-in conditioners, the answer to the question is yes. Leave-in conditioners, in my opinion, are very necessary. The purpose of a leave-in conditioner is basically to nourish and moisture. I have some notes here. To nourish the hair, to prevent breakage, split ends, soften the hair, and tame frizz. It also aids in and helps with detangling your hair as well. Leave-in conditioners you can use every day, they're for daily use. If you shampoo your hair every day, then yes, you can use a leave-in conditioner every day. I like to actually use a leave-in when after I shampoo my hair and dry or wet, either way. I like to use a leave-in as a twist out. Like when I'm doing my twist out, I use a leave-in to do that, and it comes out really good, shiny, moisturized. Yeah, I like to use a leave-in. Leave-in conditioners, it just helps tame your hair, and it helps bind and strengthen your hair. It adds moisture. If you are a natural girl, naturally curly, natural hair, moisture is a thing because our hair can dry out so quick. So you need to add that leave-in. A leave-in conditioner, is different from just a regular conditioner, okay? If you have a conditioner that says leave it for 15 minutes, 45-minute deep conditioner, whatever the conditioner says do, don't leave that conditioner in if it's not a leave-in. It has ingredients in your hair that you need in that conditioner that you need to wash out. That is why it is a conditioner that you need to rinse out. You need to rinse that conditioner out. A leave-in conditioner is just for that purpose, leave-in. I see a lot of people that really take for granted and just leave the regular conditioner that you're supposed to rinse out. They leave it in the hair. That is not good either, because over time, and you may be able to tell a dullness in your hair, a film on your hair, it may dry out your hair even more. It's the purpose of a regular conditioner is to rinse it out. The purpose of a leave-in is to leave it in. So yeah, really take that into consideration. So a leave-in, it just adds moisture, it helps with breakage, it helps with detangling, it helps with adding shine and moisture, all that great stuff. So, and it's actually a barrier between your products and your, if you have your regular hair and you have your leave-in, whatever products you add on there, it helps as a barrier. It aids from, if you have something that's drying, like say if you spray hairspray on your hair, then it protects, that hair. May have your hair in place, but it has a moisture protection on your hair to prevent your hair from really drying out really bad from the hairspray. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you guys for listening and tuning in as always. If you have any questions or any other suggestions or any other information about leave-in conditioners, please don't hesitate to leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Until next time guys, peace and love. Mwah! Bye.